Hey guys, it's Monday morning, the day after Easter. Hope you guys all had a good Easter. Today I'm taking my GoPro camera out here and giving it a little test. I'm going to try to talk a little bit more loudly so the GoPro will pick it up. I don't know if it will. But today we're just going to drive down to my local Savers and see if we can get some good pickups there. Now I got the Volkswagen going today, and it's going to be a little noisier and bumpier than if I took my other car. But we're going to have some fun, and I think we're about 5 minutes away from the Savers right now, and they have sale Saturday, or sale Monday, where you get 50% off the game, so that's why I'm heading down there today. To get as much driving of this little Volkswagen as I can before the summer starts. It's just going to be brutal. I can feel it. It was already 100 degrees last weekend. This morning's not so bad though. It's pretty nice actually. It's like maybe in the high 70s. So we're getting out this morning and just doing a little driving with the windows down, enjoying the weather, enjoying the car. Just so much different driving than my other cars. If you guys watched my last little video I did on the Volkswagen, I'm just saying how it's just such a small car. You feel everything in the road, especially since I've got the sport suspension on it and the racing tires. You just feel everything, and it's very nimble too. If I get some corners we can go around, I'll try to show you how nicely it corners. So we're at Scottsdale right now, and we are going to go to the Hayden Road is right here, but the Savers is actually on Raintree, I believe. You guys can also check out kind of the area I live in here. Turn's always kind of a hassle. So anyways, yeah, I haven't done a video in a long time, I just realized. And that's not because I haven't wanted to. I've just been swamped with just one little issue after another for a while. I was actually going to try to do a GoPro video a while ago, but I hadn't used it for about 5 or 6 years, and then when I opened it again, oh shit. Oops. I'm at the intersection here. When I tried to use it again, the battery had swelled up inside of it and just was dead. So I had to order another battery online and wait for that to come. And then, pretty much around the same time that happened, my computer died on me. It just started turning off for no reason and restarting all the time. It took me a while to figure out what was going on. The power supply had gone bad, and it was just kind of shorting out the motherboard as far as I could tell. And it also fried the motherboard, unfortunately, so I had to order another one from China because it's an old motherboard. And that took a while to get back in. So I finally got the computer just hooked up again this weekend, actually. I had to reload Windows on it, and it was just a big pain in the butt. Got pretty much everything working on it again, I think. I just have to reinstall my video editor. I should have less traffic now. much newer than mine, though. Doing my pickups, Goodwill every couple of weeks. I haven't been super lucky in terms of games lately, but I have found a lot of systems. I found about 5 Wii systems last weekend, I think, and I'm just gonna pop them up all on eBay, and I buy them for like $15, and then I can just sell them for $60 online, hopefully $60. I got all the controllers and stuff with them too. So it'll bring me a little more money in my PayPal account so I can buy some more games online if I want it. Or more computer parts if they end up breaking. I'm going to build a new computer too. Just, my old computer's it's at least like 7 years old at this point, I think. And, I got Windows 7 on it still, which I've heard is better than 10. It's going to be a problem for me if it goes out on me again. So I'm just going to build a new computer as a backup. Or maybe I'll just start using the new computer and keep my old one as a backup. It's amazing how much we really rely on computers these days. You really feel, almost helpless when you don't have a computer. Especially for me, because I make my living on my computer. And luckily I had, my laptop backed up so I could still work, but it was stressful. It was really stressful. Like, oh my God, what's going on with this thing? Computer problems just really bother me a lot more than like a car problem. I don't know what it is. It's just, I think it's a lot easier to figure out what's going on if you have a car problem, whereas with a computer, it's just, you don't know. You're kind of, I guess people that are better with computers than I could figure it out faster probably, but, I'm just basically guessing and checking stuff out. And it's not like Windows has some kind of diagnostic that's easy, that it'll just tell you what's wrong with it. You just have stuff breaking on it. Well, it doesn't look like we're going to get any fast turns in the car to show you. We're almost there. But we just passed the Goodwill I usually go to, actually, too. And this little area is kind of the, I wouldn't say industrial part of Scottsdale, but we got all the little businesses like, car shops and window shops and flooring shops, all the kinds of like little construction kind of stuff that you would need for building houses and whatnot. And I got my windows tinted on the shop right down here on the right. I really like living in Scottsdale. It's a nice area, low crime. I've had a few issues with people coming to my house and giving me a little hassle, but overall it's a pretty nice area. And I think Chandler's another nice area in the Phoenix area. We just went there this past weekend just to get some food over there. And my wife is Vietnamese, so she was noticing there's a bunch of like Asian places there that you can shop at and eat at, and besides that, there it was just really nice. So when I actually buy a house, we're just renting right now. I might look towards Chandler too. Scottsdale is pretty expensive. I would guess Chandler's a little cheaper than Scottsdale at least. Cool thing about Scottsdale is you just see all kinds of exotic cars running nice little area because this is where this is where they all get worked on and sold. I think we just passed the McLaren dealership about a block ago, and we got the Tesla dealership here. We got I think Lamborghini and Ferrari dealership. This is the place to be if you like cars, I tell you. We got the Barrett-Jackson show here every year too, and we got weekly car shows. There's a place not in Scottsdale but down the freeway on Indian Bend Road, and they've got, you know, just a huge car meet up there every Saturday evening. And if you like the really old cars, like 50s and 60s, you go there kind of in the afternoon. It's where all the old people are coming and bringing their old cars. And then, you know, once it kind of gets dark, they all go home. And then you got like the import crowd there. All the young guys bring out their, you know, tuned Hondas and stuff and Subarus. And it's like a whole different crowd, but everyone gets along and talks about cars. It's really cool. Here is Savers up on the left here. I'm going to follow this truck in. Alright, we are here. So I'm going to just go in and see what I can find. I'll let you guys know. Well, I just came out of Savers and I looked around. Didn't find anything. But that's the way it goes when you're game hunting. Sometimes you find a bunch of stuff. Sometimes you find one or two things. And today, or days like today, you find nothing. So I'm just going back to the car and got nothing to show you guys, unfortunately, so I'm just gonna go to the gym. I'll see you guys later.